NDC Journalist Nana Janiyah wabe clashes with Sam George. Efa DSTV ntokwa onu omokon ya at the end of the day no fast obi amaso no. Na host journalist for every question na Sam George ebuofu ADD journalist attempt. Nana Janiyah ekukwa pa in fact wabe clashes with Sam George wabobọ na adwen pa edache Sam George. Mema onchire mu no akire wa adwen amame. Ewo comment section. Aha you Penyah block media. Best was say need Obe like video no other mo subscribe button. So na click notification icon for latest updates. Na ba chede wa adwen dia mama. Ewo comment section. Best was oba so. No share video mo for enya bi ahwe. Eti for the past 5 months here. Anna Sam George, a Minister for Information and Communication. As a sia ni no yare brandon, the position yare brandon is a Minister for Arrogance Affairs. Sam George, Minister for DSTV and Arrogant Affairs. Sam George, Sam George, no, I said, oh, that's what I can. For the past 5 months in the only DSTV multi-choice, I come to Kwankasa. I said, no, Sam George, I see what came in and say, oh, no, only multi-choice in Toko. On to say, query, no. So, man, the 2 million mass on Sam George, oh, no, you just what 2 million mass.
Last week, I invited the senior leadership of MultiChoice Ghana to a formal dialogue on DSTV's subscription pricing in Ghana. The meeting addressed public concerns about affordability, value for money, and fairness in service delivery. I made it clear the ministry's expectation that pricing structures must be responsive to Ghana's economic context. I have a meeting scheduled for tomorrow, Friday, even though it's a public holiday, with the Ghana team and their South African counterparts. The management from South Africa. They arrived tonight to agree on a way forward on the issues raised. The outcomes will be shared with the public in due course. This engagement reflects our commitment to regulatory accountability and our resolve to ensure that digital services in Ghana remain fair, accessible, and responsive to the needs of citizens. I make you one promise. I won't leave tomorrow's meeting without securing a drop in the price of DSTV. That is a solemn promise I make to you.
O can see one to Ghana phone na yetrim so okay and you know eno munko oh more fire that time kwana no hear na Ghana here dey sao because DSTV there eh luxury it is a car ye luxury wontimi nto a enye by force 4 kada na e fakọ 3 series 2 series 5 series 4 kada fakọ wontimi a krachi control decoder hwe local channels e bi sa e ko benya Al Jazeera ni foreign ones ni bi ahwe kakra enye by force. For Sam George by man no near necessity and we gina muni omokundokwa hampe what is it hampe Emma asha say Sam George can say oh multi choice e person onu mo go into some deal be deal ni nyina say package krona no omo maintain price no na omo de channels ni bi account just a very upgraded package. Sam George can say no there on tiase the all where a package no hoda that mon table on so.
I have seen the attempt by the South African management to say that when you buy a package, they should upgrade you to the next one. We are grateful, but that's not what we want. We want a price reduction.
Abusani say ndure no. Sam George no mu konto kwan ba wiye no. Asoma Sam George kan say no de omu ya say ono no ntiase say mo maintain price no. Na package no upgrade package no. Ono no ntiase at the end of the day, Sara Sam George be na so ye. Is a free now starting 1st October yeah no and package no utia or top package no upgraded just say as some of can say omo de no ne ba on tiase e no na end of the day no wa just to call no kunyina no sabi nyansa bi amount of kwani mu emu na ma Evans esia no for interview na interview ni we say Evans true Sam George questions Sam George nkasa ai say entiase Evans ewo asem no mu enie dia enie say Ghana schools no here for no omu wanu nko na English no omu nchire ni just say that's indirectly o divans atem.
If you pay compact 380 Ghana cedis, you get to watch compact plus content, which is valued at 570 cedis, which means you get 12 more channels. Those 12 more channels are what were the difference between compact and compact plus, saving you 33% in value, 190 Ghana cedi.
Yes.
If you choose, and then I went on and said, if you choose to pay compact plus 570,
read exactly what you said, Sam George.
I'm reading. If you choose to pay compact plus, at 570,
Yes.
you will get to watch premium subscription with 18 more channels valued at 865.
So I
the
was
question here is this. That's why I asked you, and that's listen, Evans.
Again, from what you said,
Evans, I don't want to. No, wait.
You read what you said.
But let me land, Evans. I don't want to assume that you are being a merchant of mischief this evening.
No, I'm not.
Good.
I'm not. It's simple for me because I pay, you pay. Yesterday, when my subscriptions expired, if indeed expired yesterday, I would have paid for Compact Plus 570. What you just read. Tomorrow, when I show up to pay, I'll still pay 570. What I get is additional channels. It's the reason why you were careful in your choice of words. Increase value offer and not price reduction, is it not?
The Ghana Education Service will need to do a lot more in comprehension in our basic schools, because if this is your understanding, it's a big source of worry for us as a country.
Never tell us some joy divans no. No. Anna Nana Janiyah ko kwa pa say ha. Sam George. Mr. Arrogant. Minister of Arrogant Affairs. Sam George. Ha.
Sam George. First of all, did you watch PM Express live?
Yeah, I did.
This is somebody you've hailed in the past.
Yeah.
He exudes confidence. But it looks like a man for tagging is arrogant. Then they see PM Express no. Too much in the wake of DSTV Buhari communication minister.
Sam George has always been arrogant.
How?
I like him. But he has always been arrogant.
You mean
he knows he is arrogant.
Like seriously?
Yes.
He's arrogant.
No, he knows he's arrogant.
I didn't know because you're arrogant.
You understand? But you see, sometimes the danger is that when near ding, but you're within limit.
Okay.
Mitiwe, menyemre.
Oh, Janto near dimpa.
But
Me means near dimpa.
me want me limit.
Yeah.
And on ye sabi on ye jata nchenye.
So in a katanjis.
What you say? On ye jata nchenye. You understand? You may have a big body.
Yeah.
It's not about big body. It's about
Substance.
posture and the way you do your things.
Yeah.
Oshe Sam George Okujeto Blackwa, Felix Kwache,
Sami
Jamfi, those were the type at that time 2016. They kept on attacking and insulting Nana Akufo-Addo then. Some of us spoke against it.
Wow.
Yes. And we said that, I remember, and I would put the comment I'm here. Then time Nana Akufo-Addo winning. I said that the likes of Sam George, Felix Kwache, Nasefo should go and apologize. Because Momo can Muposha. 2016, these were the people no Mukanwa, Nagana for Buofno.
Hona baby will shaft seat now.
Yes, because they were so arrogant. I'm telling you, arrogant. Sam George, Okujeto Ablakwa, Felix Kwache, Standogwe, Sasquad, their posture and the way they would speak, it was so annoying. And he and no kaka home and a man
and this
but and then after 8 years, Sheminia Felix Kwache.
He's very calm now, well composed all the time.
She Sami Jamfi.
Well composed.
She Okujeto.
Sami Jamfi test our pass mommy. I got that issue in He passed that test for me perfectly. I mean himself, Sami Jamfi criticizing all the time. Say they all can. Tell me as a journalist and man, but do you see yin one I got that issue no? Brief statement.
Yes.
Then he moves on.
Yes. What sisa because otie ye na oben panyifo. Okujeto Ablakwa. One person who team more in a life ye was Professor Jane Nana.
Of course, you told the man say on
only more din ye no adwuma. So look at the fine Okujeto Ablakwa now. Sam George is good at what he does, but on society, I like him. You know me, my posture.
Yeah.
I'm a penasem, but he is arrogant and he knows he's arrogant. And recently, you can say people say I'm arrogant. If that is what it, so be it. Sam George, let me advise you as a brother. Sam George, my main country.
Yeah.
It is not about you, about John Mahama. It is not about you, but it is about John Mahama. And one of the things that John Mahama can say, Ghanaians do not like arrogant posture. He said it. President John Mahama, one of the reasons to tear away we are arrogant. Opa, go and take 2008, the reason why MPP lost, arrogance. 2016, go and take the reason, one of the reasons, arrogance. 2020, Arrogance. 2024, arrogance. So naturally, Ghana ni mpe obia or ye arrogant.
I don't know kwabere Japan me we be kan o show no say Ghana for ye dey sa ase dwane sa ohun sa ne ma bi na to aba.
No, e ka wo. Na me ka so ka say Nana Akufo da anya adwuma. Oye adwuma, but the posture. It was the posture of the government, the posturing. Say the BCBNC. What they say? Share. Say o kasa. Until now, communication, you say verbal and non-verbal.
Okay.
What you say? You better to say we are semantic, we are environmental.
Yeah.
You will guesses communication with our own kasa. But the way I will see to onsa, the way I will see your nyoma, it speaks volume.
Yeah.
You understand? When you are seen to be that, there's a way. You see, it's not about I walk in confidence. Ghana, Nino, Mahama.
Yeah.
What they said the world is carrying itself. In 2016, I know so we near we. No, yeah, on now put no, so a hand time, abomuso, no ababa say.
Yeah.
It be keke.
Yeah.
But and then on to me, yes,
yeah.
Because problem. Nana Akufo de Kaso arrogant, you know. By 2016, wa brasi, to wakasa, 2 million yamuna moho, it's misremo, mumfamame, a chow bibi.
So he learns.
And you see, I didn't know ye kasa samidem fiasisa. Okude to asisa.
Felix Assisa.
Na that's what kasa we arrogant. She enwa there's some joy the year, you know. Enwa there's some joy the year, no. Evans Mensah showed how matured he is. And I respect my senior.
Evans Mensah.
Because ebia eyemia kayejai show no.
Sir.
Aye.
How?
There's some joy the year, you know. You see, a host to bet me a question 15 times. But he wants a certain particular clarity. And so what Evans was doing was, it's not about him. A host asking question, no, it's not about him.
And the question Evans asked, these are questions people are asking on the streets.
And so, say Evans ibusa question, or clarity. And it's not about you, Evans. Now, somebody explain 6 times. And to Busami, and so a mischief, and now a comprehension. Now,
also like a comprehension.
That was an insult.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes. And to Evans, money who say insult. Because me cry there now, can not mean said antiasi.
There's some George Kano.
There's some George.
Evans question. Journalist,
I wanted to know the thing because DSTV a compact and one. I bring me so. What do I say? Because maybe you should go TV. Maybe you should DSTV back on.
Yeah.
It's a compact ne padine mean said antiasi. I wanted to understand it well.
So Evans was asking the questions you had to ask. You know, you had wanted to ask some George.
Exactly, and and so he was saying, say. In the first place, you were talking about reduction. Tio, the premise was reduction or nothing else.
Yes.
So that is logical.
That was the position of Sam George.
Reduction is the premise.
Yeah.
So the conclusion must be reduction. Any other thing becomes addition. That is logical reasoning.
Yeah.
And see, the premise is that, for example, Oka say, Obia or share white will KN West, you know, or a graduate. That is the premise. And to me back KN West, me but no say so over KN West
or white in Kwandia.
Obi or share white biano or graduate or a graduate. And to me ba me who be a year white no. One fa now so be anto now can say.
Okay.
And in logical and then your friend deductive reasoning.
Okay.
And so when you do logical reasoning, you will deductive, you will abductive, you know, and we that deductive no yes say so we say obi ase white dia e tese me be ken obi o se white bia no graduate
okay
enti me be hu obi no se white no wo first year
me azumi so ye graduate
azumi na me bu say oh omu nyina na ka say oh dabi oh enye omu nyina na ye na say bi wo ho a o se white dia but onye it means that logically no you are not being fair. So the first premise no will not validate the conclusion.
Yeah.
That is logical reasoning. Until we say it is reduction or nothing else, meaning that whatever the package, do be a no, oh, Teswa Maye, no, Maye more channels.
That was your position.
That was the position. And it's a paddy, meaning paddy, no say 59 was a thing. So paddy ni 59 or something. It means it says say 59. Paddy no, ebekwe be about 40. But I will enjoy the paddy
channels
plus more channels.
That was the position of Sam George.
That was the position of Sam George. And then you will be otua compact.
Compact plus access in this animal.
And no, you say 570. And no mean 70. But 570 no. One so. But rather you are saying, say, nipa no otua compact no will enjoy premium something. As a premium, my share live matches be different, being as if for. And Evans was saying that your premise was so can is there, then it is not price reduction. No, it is value for whatever he's paying. Meaning, say, 570 now.
Many more value.
But
that does not represent price reduction.
Price reduction.
That's true.
But some can say 570.
Yeah, they're about 500.
But they're about 500. But may enjoy 570 as I enjoy more channels.
Then that's reduction plus value.
Plus value. And no explain here. Some George Philly say what is comprehensive about this? Because you are saying, say, that one no would have been 890 or something. They're not working. But 570 Nibema will enjoy that particular bouquet. No? And he was saying, say, it doesn't mean, say, 570 na metriano and one meet ya. In that case, that's categories, you know. There are some that there's no price reduction, but rather value for the amount that I am paying. It's a simple logic. I did not meet you 570. 570, but I'll say, 570, the more I enjoy 890. You understand? It doesn't mean say 570 means yeah. But what is the what we call verisimilitude? The probability say, may 570 na me to na pay. Because I could be paying, but I may not be enjoying
exactly
that 570 na. Go TV. Me wo two there yame madia and I yame dia. Se me manu ko omu na na hwa na ma subscribe amu.
Okay.
Se bi omu ba me nche a me yusu me dia ne dada. But omu ni hwa I don't subscribe. Sometimes 3 months and they will call me. Ya who say sa we no sponsor me say
me dey dey.
Because me cry no. Se me ni ho. But go div that's what and boso me. It is say we show boso me so near katina.
Yeah.
And I have to pay like 299 or say something for that a Go TV Plus, you know.
Yeah.
And so bad, for example, to say data.
Yeah.
Data then or buy or the beer account.
No musateso.
And no musateso.
Yeah.
You say some George why.
So that's reduction plus value.
And DSTV there no. Me my bona baso why there say what me push ma ya tete price ni bi so near the channels more account good. But Evans' premise was that 570 now and one meet however I am getting more channels.
Yeah.
So obusa sa question now we explain here. You don't tell an astute journalist like Evans Mensah
or lack comprehension now. That education needs to do more education.
Who is older than you, Sam George?
Wow.
Who knew now Sam George
yeah.
You understand? Sam George is what they say.
Evans
chen.
Politics will go
onimu chen. And Evans here Evans na wusa. Evans here Evans na ET Mensah mu. And na ye MPU.
Yeah.
Evans here Evans na me tie no. Me say repeat it. Evans here Evans no. And then time kojo opon kuma mu Evans ne akwesi Mensah ne 70 mu ne. Na Evans no who Sam George. Na who your party communicator. Yeah, ma kwan na obekasa.
Yeah.
Enti enye ne Evans.
Yeah.
Wabre eba brofo so ote. And waben. He's an economist.
Yeah.
And he's a head of news desk. Onye is a multimedia. Ono ye obi a or ye kano in multimedia most valuable MVP. And or ye experienced than even Yemubi.
Of course.
When it comes to politics, Yemubi Yesua Evans. Despite wherever we have reached.
Sure.
Ebam Penyah, I give him all the seniority.
Yeah, and the respect.
That is Evans Mensah.
Do you think that's Sam George Anyade?
And I would to say cheeky answer we. And you see, and I'm catch and say, full soldiers need it. Omobe kanfu.
Well, are people defending this?
Oh, there are many people defending.
How?
Almost all the food soldiers.
But how would you defend this?
No, almost all the food soldiers of NDC are defending our Kikabia channel because Evans ni hu yomehi as usual.
For obvious reasons.
For obvious reasons. It's some judge akeka. Evans lack comprehension. But when sometimes when you go and check omo kasa with social media and so on, na yesre. Because you see, Evans now wokano, you will never have that opportunity. Evans now wokano. Whether NDC or MPP, Evans Mensa is Evans Mensa.
The president can call Evans Mensa. The president cannot call you the full
Onimo.
Yes.
And Sebi, oh no. Oh, Sam George now defending or friend Sam George no abano.
What does he?
Sam George the crown the whole penny.
So beko.
And to sometimes when you are attacking journalists, omu access to these people, then you are no one say. I quite say, obiti me bam social media.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you? And go for a grow money so.
Obiti me say you were lying against Bawumia. Have tell them. And I'm saying, you see, you are so funny. you are so funny. You are so funny.
Indeed,
we are NDC. You are so funny. Because once you are fighting, your people that you are fighting for,
they want to get closer. Exactly.
Every day.
And anything, I know it because I did the system inside.
Who didn't mean matter?
It's funny, you know.
And sebi. Why didn't you? Because I always say, why would I want to go and defend somebody I don't benefit? Why? We are full soldier. Oh, cry no sorry. Honorable, onfa. Me honorable friend me. Honorable now, oh friend no friend me. Me here be beer. Obeya mami janwo. So ni bi kron kase debi. Opeso obeya mami. So you see, Sam George should stop that thing. He shouldn't be arrogant.
You think he'll be under pressure from today?
No. Once Sam George, the only person who bet me abuano is President John Mahama. Me, I like his attitude. The attitude is all force to bring out.
All
something.
of us commended.
He's good.
Yeah.
But you see, and sometimes I know Muru finish say when you begin to attack a media like multimedia,
that one, Nana,
you are doomed. And some people don't understand.
You can never win the war. Then that one, Nana,
you cannot attack multimedia. You cannot. You will not win to attack multimedia. Emfa. She nkofo ka say and then ye hate aban because we are talking about Galamsey. We from 2017 we have been on Galamsey against MPP.
You're dedicating one journalist, Eraso Asaridonko, to be in charge of that.
Aye. Now who ye can one sema we say Charlie catch and say
oh na wait because I say we any subscriber we didn't come.
Catch and say on Ombra so obeba Ombra me channel.
Enti yedama say
so for me the person me can say Sam George we are there. But he generally MPP NDC appointees na John Mahama omunyina ebu ade. But the only person onya akwenye bia ni posture enye Sam George.
Okay.
Me defending Bibri.
Yeah.
But you see, but he has a good heart. Ye ni nyina no. Or good heart. Omo me emotional no. E no mo good heart.
Yeah.
You understand? But I think say na team with them so ka ho. When Sam George team ye ne de kakra. What do I say? I say, me ndi koko, me di, me ndi koko.
Yeah.
Oh, so kind of, it's me any day. Sam George, me and fellow, listening to me. You are doing well. But you see, perception is important.
Very, very important.
When people perceive that you are arrogant, and you think that it is okay, it is not. Baby, no. People needed to sit us down and say, Nana Janiyah, the one you need. Nemo ade bi wo ho a ye nyina ye nyini ade bi wo han ke betimi aye no more o ti ase
etri bi na wadan
etri bi na wadan because wo nyini eti mesre no full soldiers ndi o me defend o but I say enye full soldiers nko a na to abama NDC
Mahama
enye sa
the word your man
obedi udoko
comment section I Penyah Block Media.